Have you ever noticed that when you ask ChatGPT or Gemini a question, you don't get 10 search results anymore? You get just one complete answer. So here is the thought. If AI is doing the research for us, what happens to all the websites fighting to be page 1? And if there is no page 1, how does the content even get seen? That's the question we are tackling today. The big shift from SEO to GEO. Hi everyone, I am Satish and welcome back to In Simple Terms. For years, we have been told that SEO or search engine optimization is the key to be found online, but now AI tools like GPT, Gemini and Perplexity are not showing links, they're generating answers. So the rules of visibility are changing fast, and that's what today's episode is all about. Understanding GEO or Generative Engine Optimization and what it means in simple terms. SEO was about making sure search engines found your content. GEO is about making sure AI systems can understand a content and remember it when they create an answer. You are no longer optimizing for Google's algorithm, you are optimizing for an AI's memory. Think of SEO like an old school library. You wrote a book and the librarian needed to know where to place it so readers could find it. You picked the right title, added keywords, and make sure your cover stood out. Now imagine the GEO world. The librarian is gone. There is a super smart AI that's already reading every book in the library. When someone asks a question, it doesn't hand over your book. It writes a fresh summary using what it remembers from everyone's book. So if your ideas were clear, fact-based and consistent, they get woven into the new answer. That is Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. Here is how it happens behind the scenes. AI models read billions of web pages during training. They learn concepts, not just sentences. Later, when someone asks a question, the AI reconstructs an answer from its knowledge base. So if your content is structured clearly, answers common questions, and stays factual and updated, AI is more likely to draw from you. In the SEO era, you're ranked on a page. In the GEO era, you reside in an AI's memory. Imagine someone types into ChatGPT best website development companies in New Jersey. The AI doesn't go to Google. It recalls what it already knows. If a company has clear service pages, consistent content details, helpful blogs, and trustworthy information across the web, the AI is more likely to mention that brand in its response. So GEO is not about ranking higher, it is about being trusted and recognized by AI. Here are 4 simple ways to prepare for the GEO era. First, be clear and specific. Write answers that teach something. Second, stay consistent. Match your info everywhere online. Third, keep it fresh. Update facts and examples regularly. And finally, use structured formats. FAQs and lists help AI recognize context. The shift from SEO to GEO is more than a technical trend. It is a mindset shift. We used to write for algorithms, now we write for intelligence. And ironically, the more human our content sounds, clear, honest and useful, the better AI understands it. So to sum it up, SEO helped your website get found by humans through Google. GEO will help your ideas get remembered by AI through conversations. In simple terms, you're not competing for clicks anymore. You're earning a place in the AI's memory. Hi, I'm Satish and this was In Simple Terms. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who is still optimizing for yesterday's internet. Because tomorrow's internet is not about search, it's about understanding.
Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.